Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set private DNS on Android to block trackers. So first of all, we will just swipe up and just find the settings option on Android device. After here you will see number one is option connections. So I want to just tab on it as well. So here you will see in the last more connection settings. I want to just tab on it, and as you can see private DNS. So I want to just tab on it and just set to private DNS provider host name. Just tap on it and just enter your host name of DNS provider. So I want to just type DNS dot add guard and .com. So that's it. In this way you will just have to set private DNS on Android to block trackers. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.